So we just finished washing this nice Chinook. Buffed it out, polished it, and waxed it 6 weeks ago or so. And she took a trip and she wanted to get the bugs off of it. And I don't blame her. There was a lot of them on there, that's for sure. And we got those off the front. They were kind of challenging. They were up in the cracks and crevices of that nook up in there, all in the windshield, all in the front and everything. But they're gone now. You can see the polish and the wax is holding up really, really good. See this front cab, look at that. Awesome. Windows are all nice and clean. We washed the top of it. It is spotless up there. Always wash the top of it. And then wash off the oxidation from it. Clean the inside of these wheel wells. Dress those up really nice. Nice and shiny and new now. Tires, the wheels, nice and clean. Even dress this portion right here, turn it back to the color that it's supposed to be. Getting ready, probably put some dressing on here in a minute. I think I did last time that I was here, so it might not need it, but it looks pretty good the way that it is. I'm gonna keep it up, maybe put some on here, get that to shine again. Turn it back black. And yeah, regular customer, probably be washing this every couple of months or so. So the 1980 Lincoln Continental for this lady here. I'll probably show you that in a minute. But if you're on the World Wide Web or Facebook or YouTube, put in Port Angeles-Sequim first, and then put in the car wash man. You can find us. Hundreds of videos on YouTube. There's 2 YouTube channels. Motorhomes and cars. We detail them inside and out.
Oh, yeah.
So here's that.
I had a neighbor come in on it yesterday. In fact, at this meeting I went to this morning, he said, I have a neighbor that I've invited to this meeting for the first time. It was a Christian thing. And he said,
Oh, I won't take a picture of you. It's okay. Pretty nice, isn't it? Look at that. Don't see these rolling around too much. Just thought you guys would like to take a look at it. We did a full detail on this also too. So. Look at this little Landau top, half and half type deal. It's a classy car.
you want to pull it out?